Welcome to the Master Account Holder training for the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal. The AHCCCS Online Provider Portal allows providers to check a member's eligibility and enrollment, to submit for prior authorization and to check a PA status, to submit a claim, replace a claim, void a claim, or to check on a claim status. Providers will register for the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal after they've received approval to become an AHCCCS registered provider. And the first step to get access to that portal is to create a valid username and password. The DFSM provider training team has provided training presentations in both video and PDF format on the DFSM provider training webpage on how to actually register for that access. First, when it comes to registering, you would actually go on to the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal and click in the left-hand column on Register for an AHCCCS Online Account. And this is where the Master Account Holder position will come into play. Whenever a newly registered provider, such as an independent provider like an MD or DO or nurse practitioner, or a facility such as a hospital or outpatient clinic, registered with AHCCCS Online for the first time, they will receive a pop-up box alerting them that their organization currently does not have a Master Account Holder, and it will ask them if they would like to be that account holder. Please note that the Master Account Holder is typically the first employer agent of that organization to register. So when you are going through your registration process for access to the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal, if you receive this pop-up box, it will say your organization does not yet have a Master Account Holder. The Master Account Holder is responsible for administrating all other user accounts within your organization. If that's supposed to be you, go to Select an Address, choose the appropriate drop-down address from the drop-down box, and click OK. If you're not sure, click on Cancel and check with your agency's leadership to find out who should be the Master Account Holder, because that individual will be responsible for ensuring all administrative functions within the portal for your facility. Now, keep in mind that if the provider is working for a facility, such as a hospital or a clinic, and they receive that Master Account Holder message, they definitely need to make sure that they are supposed to be that individual. Once the account has been registered, the following things will occur. AHCCCS will send that Master Account Holder a temporary password. They will log on and change that password to a new secure password. And then once they are set up, and only at that point, then other employees and agents of the newly registered provider, such as billers for the agency, may register for an account on AHCCCS Online. At that point, and this is where the Master Account Holder position becomes significant, there will be their responsibility to change that user account settings to ensure they have been granted all the appropriate access to subsystems that are directly related to that user's specific employment-related duties. Please note that if a Master Account Holder leaves an organization, such as changing a job, retiring, or resigning, that they have to designate a new Master Account Holder prior to them leaving. They can do this by logging into the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal and just switching the designation from themselves to another user. If that's not done, however, newly registered individuals on the AHCCCS Online Provider Portal for their organization won't be able to access the appropriate settings. Now, if a Master Account Holder leaves an organization and fails to designate a new Master Account Holder before leaving, then that provider is going to have to actually call the Help Desk at AHCCCS at 602-417-4451. The AHCCCS Help Desk will verify that user's account information over the phone prior to upgrading their designation in the portal. Please make sure to keep your login information safe, and remember that account information may not be shared, so that's why it is vital to make sure that the Master Account Holder information is switched over prior to the original Master Account Holder leaving an organization. Thank you for participating in the training session on Master Account Holder. Have a great day.